Welcome back to the Fish Stalker channel. I got John out here this morning and Dave. They don't get out too much, so I decided to come out and put them on a few fish. Dave got like a 4.5 pound cat already. No, John did. We'll show you those here before we go. And Dave caught a bass over 3 pounds already, so I'm gonna strap this on, get some of our catches. It's real nice out this morning until the wake boats come. But when they do, I'll duck in other places too. So got a catfish rod out. They're throwing Cinco's wacky rig this morning. Green pumpkin black flake, the famous color. So they're picking it up here and there. Instead of fishing on a rock pile.
Here's what we got.
So yeah, if you can see it, the sun's right there. So yeah, that's the wacky. So I'll put this on a chesty and get some shots, and I'll show you that catfish and stuff too before we're done here today. Here's Dave. He hooked up with a nice largemouth this morning. Cinco.
Yes, sir.
Nico rig.
The tail on that beautiful tail.
It is nice, huh?
Nice fish. He fought good.
Nice
Yeah.
big tail.
He fought
Beautiful
good.
fish, man.
Great
What, about
largemouth.
3-pounder?
Oh yeah, that's a 3-pounder.
Nice mouth on that mother. Swallowed it down too, didn't he?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he got away down
He
there.
inhaled it. Okay, well, show you John's cat. All right, there's John and his channel cat. They're slippery, huh, John?
Yeah, they are.
Slimy sucker.
Cool cat. So guys are getting them with me out here this morning.
Give me kisses, baby.
He's crazy, ain't he? All right, we're gonna show you some more catches when we get them.
He's talking.
He does. They like to talk. Got him hooked up with looks like a spotted bass. I've seen his sides. Yeah, it's decent too. Oh yeah.
Rob's got a good one.
Spitting up pond smelt.
Nice spot. Other side of his pole.
Wait, move that rod real quick, John. Just put it towards the back. Yeah, you're good now. Spitting up bait fish like crazy.
Yeah, yes. Oh. Nice one.
In the box.
Yes.
All right.
Beauty.
There we go, guys. Nico rig.
Another beauty.
Nico rig 2-pounder. Look at that. Sun's probably too much for the camera, huh, guys? All right, guys. There we go. We're gonna be working on some more of these and some cats, so we'll keep showing you.
Yeah.
All right, we're running up in some trees. Got some big old pelicans out here. I don't see them too often at Folsom, so pretty cool. Probably could swallow a 2-pound bass or better. Didn't find them in these trees yesterday at all. They can move in and out at any time though, so. And we're dying for a little bit of shade. It's hot out here, guys. It's only 10 o'clock. Imagine what the summer's gonna be like. So yeah, I'm gonna spot lock here and chop a liver on a tree. Got some American shad for bait too. I'm gonna throw that back out. See what happens. Try to catch some more catfish here. All right, guys, finally hooked up a catfish. Had one take down the shad. This is on the liver.
Oh, nice one.
Big cat. Whoop, hold on, he's not done. That's a big boy there.
That's a nice one.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah. Good job. Woo.
That's a big
fish
one.
right there, brother.
Yeah, that's awesome. Shoot, I worked for that one, huh?
Look at that. Nice job, dude.
Whew, pretty badass.
8-9 pounder there.
Yeah, it is.
So now that is a, what kind of cat is that?
Channel.
Mm-hmm. That's an older
Greater
one.
than the other
Blue
ones.
channel.
Oh, starting to spawn. I see marks on them.
Beautiful.
Awesome. Cool.
Hold it on and get a couple nice pictures of it. Dude, that's beautiful.
You work on him.
Yeah.
Finally got his ass.
Go watch the other rod. It's still out too. All right, guys. We'll try to hook up one more here. Ooh, this one just took off burning drag.
Here she comes.
Hooked up on American shad.
Oh, fighter.
I cut one up today.
Decent one. That's a nice one.
Yeah, it is gonna be.
Roll. I can feel it rolling.
Oh, they love to roll.
Let's roll.
Yeah.
We took on a nice catfish
Oh,
here.
here it comes.
Ooh.
Oh, you let it go.
Oh,
That's
that sucks. All right,
a
guys.
fat one too.
Yeah, I know you seen that on the camera.
Yeah, I
We're
saw
gonna
it.
do it again. All right. All right, guys. We're trying probably the last bunch of trees for today. Heading on our way out here towards the tip. It's pretty good. Got some bass fishermen out here with us. So very few trees actually have catfish that I can find. But still getting enough for me, so not bad. I'd say a couple weeks when the water gets closer to 80, they're going to be all over the shallows. So it should be pretty good in the next couple weeks. So yeah, we're going to give it a few minutes and probably head out of here. It's getting a little bit warm again. All right, guys, pretty good catches today. I appreciate everybody subscribing, supporting me in my venture. And don't forget to tell your friends, have them subscribe if they're interested in Folsom Lake or catfishing or bass fishing, even trout. We got trout videos too. So landlocked kings, kokanee, I'm multi-species. I'm going for the best I can get. So we'll take a little ride and we'll see you on the next one.